So what's in this box?
I don't know yet.
American Mahjong.
Mahjong.
American.
So this is a beautiful Mahjong case.
Oh my gosh, look at it. It's pink.
It's supposed to be reddish, but it's kind of pinkish. But it's beautiful. As a case that it comes, you can carry stuff around in. And in this case, it has
Just in case.
these are the holders. Oh my gosh, and these are the tiles. Yeah.
Was it like Scrabble? You have holders?
Yeah, they're special racks for the game.
There used to be a restaurant called Racks.
These are all the
They
tiles.
had good sandwiches.
Look, they're so beautiful.
Whoa. That is beautiful. Wow. Oh, they have like names on them?
These are the racks.
SPRWIN.
Those are the winter. Those are the seasons.
Oh,
These
autumn,
are the dots.
summer. Okay,
These are the
gotcha.
cracks, the dragons, the bams, the jokers.
The bams.
And then there's the flowers.
Bring the bam.
The flowers.
What bam?
These are the racks with and they slide. When you have your rows, your
Show me.
wall,
Like
your
show,
wall,
show me what you mean.
you move this out.
I don't understand.
You'll see when we play. I can't show you because
Oh.
I don't have everything unpacked.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Good video.
I don't know what's in that other one. I'm going to look very quickly. One sec here. Is this one here, right? Nice. And then the last box is probably the other